The Galaxy S22 series has been a solid lineup for years, and even today, it holds up well in performance and design. With the One UI 8.0 update, the phone feels faster, smoother, and more refined. But if you're into digital art or you enjoy experimenting with Samsung's creative Galaxy AI tools, the S22 might finally be showing its age, and not in a good way. Let's talk about why the Galaxy S22, even the S22 Ultra with its built-in S Pen, is no longer the best digital art phone in Samsung's lineup. One UI 8.0 brings plenty of improvements to the Galaxy S22. Apps load quicker, animations feel smoother, and the system overall seems more stable. It's a nice upgrade for users who have been holding onto the device since 2022, but there's one big feature missing from this update, and it's something creative users are going to feel right away. The feature is called Drawing Assist, one of Samsung's most fun and advanced Galaxy AI tools. Sadly, it's not coming to the Galaxy S22 series. That means if you use your phone for sketching, doodling, or experimenting with AI-generated art, you'll miss out on a major upgrade. Now, to be clear, the Galaxy S22 still has access to Sketch-to-Image, the original AI-powered drawing tool that Samsung introduced last year. It's a cool feature on its own. You can open it from the Edge panel, make a quick sketch, pick a style, and tap Generate to transform your rough drawing into something detailed and colorful. It's fun, creative, and easy to use. But here's the thing, that's where it stops for Galaxy S22 users. The newer versions of One UI, starting with One UI 7.0, replaced Sketch-to-Image with Drawing Assist, which is a huge step up in every way. Drawing Assist adds what Samsung calls multimodal AI support. Basically, that means you can now give the AI more context, not just a sketch. You can use text prompts, upload reference photos from your gallery, or mix both together to create more personalized and detailed results. This extra flexibility lets artists and casual users get much more creative. Instead of just relying on styles or filters, you can guide the AI in specific directions, almost like giving it creative instructions. But that's not all. While Sketch-to-Image gives you 5 basic styles: watercolor, illustration, sketch, pop art, and 3D cartoon, Drawing Assist expands that list dramatically. You get new artistic modes like Art Nouveau, Webtoon, Soft Illustration, Instatoon, and Oil Painting. Each of these styles adds a unique flavor, giving users a lot more room to experiment. There's also one more important feature that makes Drawing Assist so much better: the Sketch Matching Strength slider. This little control lets you adjust how much the AI should reinterpret your drawing. If you move the slider to a higher matching strength, the AI stays closer to your original sketch, even keeping some of your hand-drawn quirks or small mistakes. But if you lower it, the AI gets more creative freedom, reimagining your sketch in completely new ways. That level of control makes a huge difference for digital artists. It's the kind of small but powerful feature that turns Galaxy phones into serious creative tools. Unfortunately, Samsung has made it pretty clear, if Drawing Assist hasn't arrived for the Galaxy S22 with the One UI 7.0 or 8.0 updates, it probably never will. The company seems to be keeping it exclusive to newer hardware, like the Galaxy S23 and S24 series. Now, that doesn't mean the S22 is useless for drawing. Sketch-to-Image still works great, and it's capable of generating beautiful AI art, but it's missing the extra polish, flexibility, and intelligence that the new Drawing Assist provides. So, if you're someone who enjoys digital art, or if you loved experimenting with Sketch-to-Image, you might start to feel limited. With your Galaxy S22, it's not just about having the latest AI features, it's about having tools that encourage creativity and let you push your imagination further. Of course, Drawing Assist alone shouldn't be the only reason to upgrade your phone. The Galaxy S22 still performs well, has a great display, and offers the S Pen experience if you're using the Ultra model. But if you want the complete creative experience Samsung is building into its newer phones, Upgrading to something like the Galaxy S24 or the upcoming S26 might be worth it. In the end, the Galaxy S22 will always be remembered as a great phone, one of Samsung's most balanced flagships. But when it comes to digital art, AI creativity, and the newest One UI features, it's clear that Samsung's focus has shifted to newer models. The S Pen may still be there, but without drawing assist, the Galaxy S22 just isn't the best digital art phone anymore.